CAT 2025 results are out, and at this point a lot of you might be in that dilemma कि यार CAT next year repeat करूँ या फिर should I settle for any college based on my percentile, especially those who lie in the 70 to 80 percentile range. I feel for you guys it is utmost difficult to decide कि भाई क्या मुझे वापस से CAT repeat करना चाहिए, especially if this was your second or third attempt. Well, to clear that confusion only, I have come up with that particular list that lie between this percentile range, especially for those students who do not wish to repeat CAT the next year. And if you want to settle for colleges that will be mentioning in this video, then this video is going to be extremely useful for all of you. So hello everyone and a warm welcome to Supergrads CAT YouTube channel. My name is Neelam Balwani, and now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So let us talk about the colleges that lie between 70 to 80 percentiles. The very first college that we have in the list is Soil Gurgaon. Now Soil Gurgaon ki fees is between 15 to 17 lakhs and 11 LPA is the average package. January 18th is the last date, so you guys still have time to decide. और अगर आप ZAT लिख रहे हो on the 4th of January, आपके ZAT स्कोर के बाद आपको और बेटर क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी about whether you should be applying to these colleges or not, क्योंकि इन colleges में mostly colleges की जो deadline है वो January में है. So अभी कोई haphazard नहीं है, but at least you should be aware of the deadlines as well, because कभी कभी पता नहीं चलता है कब deadlines निकल जाती है and you are still stuck in the loop कि भाई अब मैं क्या करूँ. Next is Flame University. Again 20 to 21 lakhs के बीच में fees है. 9.63 LPA is the average package. January 5th is the last date. तो ये साइकिल 1 डेडलाइन है, अभी कोई हैपहैजर्ड नहीं है आपको फ्लेम यूनिवर्सिटी में. अभी आप भले मत अप्लाई करो क्योंकि ये सिर्फ साइकिल 1 की डेडलाइन है. जो बाकी की साइकिल्स है उनकी डेडलाइन मई तक भी एक्सटेंड होती है. नेक्स्ट इज अमृता कोयम्बतूर. 10 to 14 lakhs is the fee. 8.34 LPA is the average package, and February 15th is the deadline. Then we have UPS Dehradun. 16 to 20 lakhs is the package. 8.16 to 20 lakhs is the fee. 8.50 LPA average package है. Again January 20th deadline है. Christ Bangalore. 10 to 14 lakhs is the fee. 7 LPA average package. January 25th is the deadline. Then you have Great Lakes Gurgaon. 18 to 20 lakhs fee है. 11 LPA is the average package. January 2nd is the deadline. Then you have this Ranchi. Again, if you're very you want to go into HRM program, और अगर हमारा XLRI के थ्रू या किसी कॉलेज के थ्रू फॉर एग्जाम्पल नहीं होता है, then this Ranchi is also something that you can consider. Again 8 to 12 lakhs का पैकेज है. 8 to 12 lakhs is the fee. 9 LPA is the package. December 15th is the deadline. अगेन December 15th यहाँ पे मेंशन था कि डेडलाइन है, बट जब मैंने इनका ओपन किया था वेबसाइट तो द फॉर्म्स आर स्टिल ओपन, सो यू गाइस कैन अप्लाई टू दिस कॉलेज अभी भी. देन यू वी हैव Zyme Bangalore. 12 to 16 lakhs is the fees. 10 LP is the average package. Jan या Feb में ही इसकी डेडलाइन होगी, मे बी लेट Jan or Feb first week would be the deadline for Zyme Bangalore. Liba Chennai है. 18 to 20 lakhs is the fee. 11 LPA is the average package. Early January में इसकी deadline है, but again there are chances that it might extend. Then we have IFMR Chennai. Again a very good college if you want to pursue MBA in finance. 15 to 20 lakhs is the package. 13 LPA इसका average package है. 15 to 20 lakhs is the fee. 13 LPA is the average package. January 15th इसके राउंड 1 की डेडलाइन है. सो मेक श्योर कि अगर आपको IFMR में अप्लाई करना है आप January 15 से पहले पहले कर लो. More colleges in the list we have. We have IMT Nagpur. 16 to 18 lakhs के बीच में इसकी फीस है. 11 LPA is the average package. 31st January is the deadline. Now most of these colleges here have a deadline in January, late January. Okay, third week of January में है. IMT Hyderabad 16 to 18 lakhs fee है. 12 LPA is the average package. 31st Jan है deadline. Then we have IMI Bhubaneswar. 13 to 15 lakhs is the fee, 12 LP average package, 28th Jan is the deadline. You have Nirma University, 12 to 15 lakhs जिसकी fees है, 11 LP जिसका average package again 31st Jan is the deadline. Then we have IIFM Bhopal as well, an institute which is based for forest management. So if you're interested in going ahead with MBA in forest management, then you must apply. It's a very good college. 12 to 14 lakhs is the average fee, 10 LP average package है. And then 25th January is the deadline. We have NIA Pune. Again, this college is purely based, if you want to go ahead and do MBA in finance, insurance and banking, so you should apply to NIA Pune. 12 to 16 lakhs is की average fees है, 12 LP is the package, I think not bad. 20th Jan is the last date to apply. Then we have NL Dalmia. Again, NL Dalmia is very good for finance guys. It is based in Mumbai. 16 to 20 lakhs is the fee. 9 LPA is the average package. 31st Jan is the deadline. Then you have Jaipuria in Noida, 15 to 18 lakhs जिसकी fee है. 9 LP average package. 30th Jan is the date. We have BIM Trichy. Again, 16 to 20 lakhs fee है. 12 lakhs is the average package. Then 26th Jan is the last date to apply. Wellinkar Bangalore. Wellinkar Bangalore का जो फीस है 14 to 18 lakhs के बीच में है. 10 LPA is the average package and 31st Jan is the last date to apply. Okay, and in fact in Wellinkar's Bangalore you don't just have general MBA, you can you have other programs as well. MBA in media and communications भी है, उनका separate MBA program for marketing भी है. So you have plenty of options in Wellinkar Bangalore. Next, more colleges in the list like NIT Trichy, 3 to 5 lakhs fee and average package is quite good, 8 LPA, and 10th Jan is the last date. Please note कर लो. Then we have Jaxom, 16 to 18 lakhs is the average fee है, 13 LPA is the average package, and then 31st Jan is the last date to apply. I have mentioned these colleges again with a different color. Reason being कि इन colleges में जो बाकी के MBA प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम द जनरल MBA, उनका कट ऑफ कैट के लिए थोड़ा कम जाता है. लाइक बिमटेक नोएडा 15 to 18 lakhs, 11 LPA is the average package. 31st Jan is the last date for to apply. LBSIM दिल्ली के जनरल MBA की जो कट ऑफ है वो शायद ज्यादा जाएगा, बट बाकी के प्रोग्राम्स के लिए it could be between 70 to 80 percentile. 15 to 18 lakhs is the fee, 12 LP is the average package. 28th Jan is the last date to apply. वेलिंकर मुंबई में भी मेन MBA के लिए of course the cutoff would be higher for CAT, बट बाकी के MBA के प्रोग्राम्स जो है वो 70 to 80 पे आपको मिल जाएगा. 15 to 18 lakhs is the fee, 12 LPA is the average package. 31st Jan is the last day to apply. For Delhi maybe there are certain programs like that which you can get if you have a percentile range in between 70 to 80. Probably 85 के अगर 85 के around भी है तो you will get it over here in For Delhi. But again there are certain programs as I mentioned in these colleges that are marked in yellow जो आपको 70 to 80 percentile के रेंज में मिल जाएंगे. 16 LPA is the package. 31st Jan is the last date to apply. Then TAPMI में भी there are certain programs which you get in 70 to 80 percentile range. 16 to 19 lakhs is the fee over here. 13 LPA is the average package and 31st Jan is the last date to apply for TAPMI Manipal. Okay students, so that was it from my side. I hope this video was informative for you, and I hope if you are not wishing to repeat CAT the next year, you would be applying to one of these colleges. You can choose as per your criteria कि किस college में कौन सा program है जो आपको better options offer कर रहा है. This was the list, the entire list of colleges between 70 to 80 percentile. If you want me to make more such रेंज तो आप वो जो रेंज है कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बता दो किस परसेंटाइल के अराउंड यू वांट टू नो द कॉलेजेस, एंड आई विल मेक अ डिटेल्ड वीडियो ऑन दैट एज वेल. एंड इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दैट एंड अदर management entrance test, plus you're also preparing for your interview rounds. Now that CAT is done, it's time that you prepare for interview rounds, because anytime soon the calls will be out and you'll have to write an SOP, और आपको ज़्यादा time नहीं मिलता है SOP लिखने के लिए. So for that we have a Telegram channel where you'll get all these tips and this material very easily. You can access that. I'm putting the link in the first comment, so don't forget to join. Also, if you're not following us on our social media platforms, then please do so, because our Instagram channel has a lot to offer you. We come up with a lot of lives very frequently, ask me anything sessions. तो आप जल्दी से Instagram channel को भी join कर लो. And if you're watching this video for the very first time, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Super Grats Cat YouTube channel.